This is John Black, Super Dentist, coming to you on my Super Living channel. I'm going to show you how to make an Italian hoagie. Look at this. This is the kind of bun you want. You know, you can use any bun, but that really makes the difference between a good hoagie and a bad hoagie. You know what I mean? Cut it open. First thing, onion. You don't even need a knife. Just take little bits off. If you like smaller pieces, you know, I like big chunks of onion. So I just break it up into little pieces, you know, like that. Put them on there. Just like that. And I'd cover the whole thing up with it. If you don't like onion that much, then don't do that. Now, the second thing I put on is cheese. And the reason why I put cheese on next and not on top is because you're going to be putting this in the broiler, and you don't want it to melt and get all over the place and get off of the sandwich. It'll just melt and drain off the sandwich. So I'll take a piece, cut it in half, put it right on there. Boom. Next, chopped ham. Put a couple slices. Next, hard salami. You want to get big pieces, you know what I mean? Don't get those little things. See how that is? Put that on there. I got two there. Next, now normally I get pepperoni that it's almost as big as that hard salami, but they were out, so I had to get this. It's just little pieces, so I don't have to put them all over. I put this on top because I like when it gets burnt or crispy. It tastes really good, pepperoni like that. Now, I'm just going to take this. I've already turned the oven on. There's a couple ways you can make this. When I used to do it in a big oven, I'd preheat it to 400 and then just throw it into the oven. Sometimes I'd put it in the broiler, but I'd always preheat it because an oven is so whatever. But if you put it in a broiler, you don't have to preheat anything. What I do is I have a toaster oven. I put it on broil, and I turn it on, and then I start making my sandwich. Now, by the time I get the sandwich done, and like right now, to put into the oven, it's heated up a little bit. So like I said, I'm going to throw this in a toaster oven, and I'll wait till it's golden brown right here. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, now you see how I got a nice golden brown. Alright, now if you want, I like it not too hard on the outside and crunchy on the inside, so that's why I broil it. But if you want it cooked more, you can preheat it more or put it in, bake it for a little bit and then broil it. Depends on your taste. But anyways, so I got it out. First thing you do is get a knife. Don't poke all the way through the bun. Stab it all over the place. Just don't stab it all the way through, though, because you're going to put some Italian dressing on. Right? I can't shake that up. Put as much, I like a lot, so I put a lot. The reason why you put those holes in is so that it goes inside the holes now instead of just rolling off of the bun. Then I get some Parmesan cheese. And the reason I put that on is because it tastes good, and also it helps like coagulate this liquid that you just put on the Italian dressing. Put some pepper, accent, or you might use salt. I don't even use salt and pepper. I use accent and pepper. So anyways, I'm down to the bottom of the tomato, so I got to kind of use little pieces. As you can see, if I would have done it better, I forgot to turn the oven on to preheat it, but usually the pepperoni gets nice and crispy. So I put on my tomato, some lettuce, right? There you go. Just flap it over and you're done. See there? And that is an official Italian hoagie. The difference between a hoagie and a sub or is this. A sub is a submarine, short for submarine sandwich. A sandwich is cold, okay? But a hoagie is something that's heated. That's the difference between a submarine sandwich or a sub and a hoagie. A hoagie is heated. So anyways, keep in mind, a lot of these videos I'm thinking maybe when I'm dead, my kids will look at them. And this is one of the main things I eat. So I put it up. I hope you guys like Italian hoagies. If you do, you'll like this. Anyways, I got to go before this gets cold. So always remember, life is what you make it, so you make it great. Have a great day.